Hey, my friends. Today again we meet in the Shiksha channel with the same topic, active and passive voice in the future tense. Past, present, now future. The other tenses we have covered up. Now we are doing future. Now in the future tense, the first one, simple future tense in the active voice is, we are taking the same example. The woodcutter will cut the tree. Will cut, because it's future tense, and after will it will be cut only. The woodcutter will cut the tree. So this is the active voice. Now the passive voice of the same form, same sentence is, the tree will be cut by the woodcutter. The tree will be cut. Will be cut. This is the construction. Now again same thing, the tree becomes the subject here. Whereas in the active voice, the woodcutter, the same person who is cutting the tree, is the subject. Whereas here the object has become the subject. So the construction changes. Now the next, future continuous. Active voice. The woodcutter will be cutting the tree. Will be cutting the tree. Now instead of will, if we put may, same construction. May be cutting, can be cutting, should be cutting, would be cutting. This construction is always there for the future and auxiliaries, modals, like this. So the woodcutter will be cutting the tree. And the same sentence for passive voice future tense, the tree will be cut by him or by the woodcutter. Now next, always you needn't say by the woodcutter. It is understood. This construction will tell you. Here remember, cut is in the passive voice and it's the perfect form. Now next one, future perfect. The tree will have been cut by the woodcutter. Will future, have perfect, and after have you have to put been. So the woodcutter will have cut the tree. And passive voice will be, the tree will have been cut by the woodcutter. So once again I am repeating, in the active voice, the woodcutter will have cut the tree. Only will have. And in the passive voice, the tree will have then been. The tree will have been cut by the woodcutter. By the woodcutter, it is understood. Now, the fourth form, as I told for present and past tense, we can have in the continuous form, but the fourth passive voice will be same like this. The woodcutter will have been cutting the tree for the passive active voice, and for passive it will remain the same. The tree will have been cut by the woodcutter. So please, unless you practice, this will become complicated. So please go on practicing the construction. But for every sentence, this is the construction for active and passive voice. Active is same as the tense, present, past and future. But passive, remember, always perfect form. So thank you. Be tuned. We meet once again in the next video.